Let's talk about the concept of the first derivative test. We can use the first derivative of a certain function to identify if the curve has a minimum or maximum. Aside from the previous visual inspection that we did, ito gagamitan ng derivative to check. No, how are we going to use that? We will use the concept of a tangent line kasi first derivative nga. Let's take a look at this critical point at x is equal to a. Makikita nyo, ginawa natin ng tangent line. Sa point of tangency, ginawa natin tangent line. So definitely this is dy over dx. This is 0. Yung sa kaliwa, dy over dx, di ba? Nakahilig sa kanan, so ang slope niyan is negative. So I suggest you a review ano ang slope ng lines kapag leaning to the left, leaning to the right, horizontal and vertical. So yan, that is a review on your intervention for calculus, no? So there are tons of videos of that online. Tapos nasa kanan naman, nakahilig sa kanan. So this is positive. Okay? So the first derivative test is like this. If your dy over dx or your first derivative changes from the following, pag positive to negative, local maximum. Pag negative to positive, local minimum. Ito, negative to 0 to positive. So from negative to positive. So therefore, we can say that at x is equal to a, it is a local minimum based on the changes on the first derivative. Okay? Dito naman sa kanan, makikita natin nakahilig sa kanan to. So this dy over dx is a positive. This is at a slope of a tangent line, so it's 0 horizontal. Ito, tangent line ito nakakaliwa, so dy over dx is negative. So positive to negative. At x is equal to b, it is a local maximum. Take a look at yun at the graph. Okay? That's your first derivative test.